Yeah, all of you, good morning. Good morning. Now we will, yesterday I have explained the chapter probability, but I will be explaining this topic again so that you can revise it. Tomorrow we will be doing the question of this topic. So, probability, yesterday I have not recorded this lecture, so please, I am repeating this chapter again. So, now probability class 10. Now in this probability, what is probability? Probability is measure of uncertainty. Uncertainty. Probability is measure of uncertainty. Now in this probability, we have theoretical probability, and in theoretical probability, we only have total sample space. That is what important is that change in the formula is that total sample space. In case of total number of trials, in 9th class we have experimental probability. In experimental probability, we were having total number of trials, but the only difference in this theoretical probability is that we are using total sample space in case of total trials. So here we have to, first of all, probability is measure of uncertainty. Now PE, if I write it like this is read as, this is read as probability of an event, probability of an event, and P E dash, this is read as probability of not occurring event, probability of not occurring event. So probability of an event plus probability of not occurring event is 1. One marks question may be asked in the exam, that is probability of winning a game is 0.4. What is the probability of losing the game? So you can say that probability of winning plus probability of losing is 1, and probability of winning plus probability of losing is 1. So we can find out by this. Probability of winning is given, you can find out the probability of losing, or losing is given, you can find out the probability of winning. After that, probability of an event lies between 0 and 1. Both numbers are included. 0 and 1 are included. If probability of an event is 0, then possible event. 4, if probability of an event is equal to 1, then sure event. Impossible event is what? In a group of 10 boys, find the probability of girl. So what you will say, in a group of 10 boys, no girls are there. You can say that probability of girls is 0. In a group of 10 boys, find the probability of boys. You can say that 10 upon 10, that is 1. You will be getting probability of boys as 1. So now after this, you must know the formula. Probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes for an event, number of favorable outcomes for an event upon total sample space. Now in 9th class we were writing total trials. The only change in the formula is we write total sample space. And 6, total sample space. Total sample space, we take total possibilities. Total possibilities. Total possibilities. So this is 2 or 3 things in color, that is there about 6 things you must know before doing the probability questions of 10th class. Now after that you must know some total sample space, and all the questions will be on that, and that are what tossing of coin. Now tossing of coin, we must know the total sample space for when 1 coin is tossed, 2 coins are tossed, and 3. Maximum 3 you can take. So first, when 1 coin is tossed, then total sample space is 2, and you will write head and tail. Second, when 2 coins are tossed, then total sample space 4. Head tail, tail head, tail tail. Next, third, when 3 coins are tossed, then total sample space 8. That is all heads, head, tail, tail, or tail, tail. Now head, tail, 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 head, tail, head. So these are the 8 sample points. So all these 3 coin, 1 coin, 2 coin, 3 coin, this you have to remember. Next, we have a dice. When 1 dice is thrown, then total sample space will be 6, because we have 6. We have seen the 6 faces on the dice, and on each face we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after that we have when 1 dice is thrown, then total sample space equal to 6. Total sample space equal to 6. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and after that, when we have this, you can have even number, odd number, prime numbers. So you must know what are even numbers, then odd numbers, even number, odd number, prime numbers, composite numbers, composite numbers, factors, factors, multiples, all type of things you must know when we talk about the numbers. After that comes when two dice are thrown, then total sample space equal to 36. Now when we talk about 36, all 36 sample space you must know. So we write 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. If we are not writing like this, when we write total sample space 36, it will take time. The better is that you write within half minute, and after that you answer the question, you will be able to answer. So 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6, and 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, and 6 6. This is how you must know, because you will be finding that variety of questions are there on this topic. So please see that, have a practice of writing this, because they can ask on the first number, even number should be there, second maybe odd number or whatever that. So the probability questions, variety of questions comes on this topic, so you can go through that. After this two dice, we have playing cards. Playing cards. Each one knows, that is play. Yesterday I explained about the playing cards. So the same thing is with the today's theory. What type of playing cards are there? How many playing cards are there? What type of colors are there? So you will say playing cards. Playing cards. We have 52 playing cards. The jokers are not included. Please see that some students they add the joker card and they say 54. No, they are not of the use. So please see that the playing cards, only 52 cards are there. After this 52 cards, we have 26 red color cards and 26 black color cards. Black color cards. So 26 red color and 26 black. Now in 26 we have 13 cards. 13 heart, 13 heart, and 13 diamonds, diamond, and 13 again 13 clubs and 13 spades, 13 spades. Now when we talk about clubs, each one you must be knowing the cards. If you don't know, that is this type of clubs, spades, spades, diamonds, and heart. Yes. So these are the cards. Now in 13 cards, each set of 13 cards, we have ace, king, queen, and jack. You will say you can take a face card. Face cards. King, queen, jack. All they may be court card. Court cards. Another court cards. You can say that picture card also. Picture cards. Picture cards. Or face card. Face cards. If it is written face card as picture cards, then king, queen, and jack will be taken. If not, then after that face cards, we have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, sorry, 1 is not there. We have a practice of writing 1. So don't write 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. All these cards are non-face cards. Non-face cards. Non-face cards. Non-face cards. Face cards. Non-face cards. Suppose we are taking non-picture card. Non-picture card. Picture cards. Then you will take ace, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So these are the things. Now after this we have, so playing cards, very important. Sometimes what happens when we are doing the questions, we are not reading the questions properly. So please see that the playing cards questions, sometimes they say these cards are removed. When cards are removed, then the problem is there. Which cards are removed, you have to remember, and after that you have to find out the probability. So very important is this. After this playing cards, we have in case of balls, that is leap year and non-leap year, and this type of questions. Question may be there in the exam. Now, that is, you will say, now, in case of balls, in case of balls, in case of balls. Now, in case of balls, what you will do? You will do like this: number of red balls, right like this. Number of green balls. Number of black balls. Total balls equal to this, and then you will get total sample space. So sometimes what happens, they say red ball is given, green ball is given, number of black balls find, you will write X. and after that when we are adding you will get the answer. It will take, when you are doing the question, it will take less time to do the question. So please see that, have a practice of writing like this. After this we have, in case of false, after that we have, that is leap year and non-leap year concept. That is leap year. When we talk about leap year, we must leap year. Leap year, in leap year, 366 days, or you can say that 52 weeks and 2 days. 52 weeks and 2 days. So, if I ask you probability of 53 Mondays in a leap year, directly you can say 2 upon 7. Because 52 Mondays will be there and 2 days are left, and condition will be out of 7. That is 2 days are in favor, so you will write 2 upon 7. After that we have in non-leap year, 365 days or 52 weeks and 1 day. So you will say probability of 53 Wednesday, or Monday, Tuesday, whatever is there, in non-leap year, that is 1 upon 7. So this is the way we can do the questions of probability. So this is very important, and I have completed this, revised it again. So please, tomorrow we will be doing the questions. Okay, now.